So today I'm going to be reviewing the Lumino Lite 10 LED rechargeable book light. So when you open up the case, you have a container. This is where you can store your light. You also have a charging port, and of course you have the instructional manual for the book light. So this book light, let me tell you a little bit about it. So this book light has 3 colors and 3 brightness levels. So you do have the pure white color, which is about 6,500 K, and then you do have the warm light, and you also have the warm white light. It comes with 2 lights. So one thing I like about this light is you don't only have to use it for books, you can also use it for music instruments. So my kids play music instruments, and this one we can put it on their music stand. It's light enough to carry with you when you travel, and also for kids to take to school. Very, very light. It packs really, really well. So we're gonna put it on the book, and you can see it can clip books. So it can clip onto books, it can clip onto magazines, it can clip onto large pages, and it's very, very durable. So you can see I've clipped it onto this book, and you can see how I'm able to kind of move it around. Even I clipped it onto just a few pages and you're still good. You can even clip it onto more pages. So you see I clipped it onto all these pages, and it's still durable and it still works fine. So you can see how it's movable. One thing I also like about the light is that the light is flexible. There's a button at the back right there, and you just clip on the button, and that is how you turn it on. So you can see the 3 types of lights that there are. So right here we're in the dark, and you can see I can really read all the writings very, very clearly. This is the first light, and I'm only using 1 light. If I turn on 2 lights, you can see how I can really read what I have in my book. And if I turn on more lighting, you can see how much brighter I'll be able to read all the words in my book. So I absolutely love it, and I think it's very durable, and I absolutely love how flexible it is that you can press it and move the lights whichever way you want.